Welcome to the Henley. You are now viewing one of our very spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartments. Over here we have our washer and dryer right here behind the front door. This is the entrance. This is overview of the living room. And this is our dining room here. A lot of room for a large table. Then over here to the kitchen, which is a galley-style kitchen, which has plenty of cabinet space, as you can see. Dishwasher, stove, refrigerator, and microwave all included. And look at all this extra cabinet space here. And next, we're gonna take it to see the bathroom and bedrooms. Yay! So in here, we have our non-master guest bedroom here, which is pretty spacious as well. And then over here, we have our large size closet, as you can see, with the sliding glass doors. And then we're going back through the hallway. Here is our guest bathroom, which is pretty spacious with additional shelf space here and our toilet. And then over here, we have our shower and bathtub. And then this is our master bedroom. Voila! So this floor plan is really unique just because the bedroom itself has 3 closets. Where else do you see that? And then this is our master bathroom with the shower stall and cabinet space here, or countertop. And then we have our 2 double-sided closets here. So we have one on each side. So this is built-in shelving space. And then this is more the full range of a closet here. And then same here on this side, additional closet space. So thank you guys for joining us on the tour. Make sure you rent it ASAP. This is the only apartment we have with 3 closets in the bedroom, so you have plenty of storage space. Thank you.